To set up custom notification sound on Redmi A5, all you simply have to do is first go into the settings. From here, scroll down and go for the sound and vibration. As you are here, scroll down again, and right here we have the default notification sound. Simply go in there, and from here you have to scroll all the way down, and right here there is the button to add notification. Tap on it, and from here you have to select your custom sound you want to use for your notifications. In my case it's this one right here. So as you select it, now you have to find it by title, because here it has the alphabetic order, and right here my sound starts with an A letter, so it is at the top. So it depends actually on your title, on the title of this custom sound, where it will be located. So simply from here you have to select this sound, and as it is selected, press OK button, and now as you can see it has been applied as the default notification sound.